Hello and welcome to Grab and Go for the month of September from the Bettendorf Public Library. This month's Grab and Go is going to be related to the Indigenous Australian dot art. In your Grab and Go bag, you will find lots of good information about Indigenous Australian dot art. Today what we're going to do is we are going to be inspired by this beautiful artwork made by Indigenous peoples, and we are going to create our own dot art. So in your Grab and Go kit, you will have some paints, you'll have a cotton swab, and your paper. So when we do our dot art, we are basically taking our cotton swab, dipping it into our paint color, and making a design with dots. I encourage you to look at the examples provided, gather some more information about this beautiful art form, and then go and explore your own area, maybe your yard, landscapes, animals, things that are around you. Also, you can do an abstract design with the dot art, and I'm going to show you a couple of examples. This is one I did. This is my landscape. You can see I've got green grass over here. I've also put in a bright yellow sun on this one, all done with dots. You can be as detailed as you want in your dot art. This one is a more abstract concept. I would call this an abstract flower, and you can see that I've done it with some colors that you would find in nature, and also some colors that you might not so much find on a flower, but this is one I wanted to show you. So for my example today, I've got my paper. I am going to do another abstract concept that I just kind of thought of in my head. I'm going to put some paint on my cotton swab, and I think I'm going to do a spiral. One of the things I love is looking up into the sky, and sometimes looking at the stars and seeing beautiful constellations. Sometimes if you study some science, you might see some galaxies, and I like to think about a spiral galaxy. So that's what I'm going to do today. Okay, so I'm just getting started here. I'm doing mine in black. You can do whatever colors you choose. Also, to keep in mind while you are making your dots, you can make your dots a little bigger than this with utilizing more of your cotton swab, or you can make them a little smaller. It's up to you. So here's my basic spiral. And now I'm going to change that up and put some different colors inside. I might try to do some smaller dots and larger dots. So here in the center, I took purple, which is one of my favorite colors. I put that right in the center of my spiral. And those are kind of medium-sized dots. Now I think I'm going to try to do some tiny dots, maybe on either side of some of my black dots that I used for my spiral. If you want to do tiny dots, you can see here I've done some tiny and some not so tiny. The tiny ones I did just by barely tapping my cotton swab onto the side of my black dots. Okay. All right. The other thing is you might want to blend some colors together to get a different color. So I'm going to take some white that I have right here. I'm going to put that in the very center of the spiral that I did. And I'm going to dot, and that is just going to lighten up my purple a little bit. Now, since this is an abstract piece, I can make whatever designs I want on it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a purple dot border at least on one side of my paper. And that one I'm doing with some pretty thick dots. Again, it's all your choice because you are the artist. So now I've got a border on one side of my design. And how you finish this is completely up to you. I want to thank you for joining us today. Please do refer to the information in your packet to learn more about the Indigenous Australian dot art and enjoy making your own dot art. See you next time.